or a nice ghost?
Oh no. This is a scary ghost?
You're scaring me.
Show Kiefer your spider. Where's your spider?
Oh, hi!
He jumped.
You didn't mean to scare
You
him,
just
right?
scared me.
I got this
Show him
thing.
that. What is that? It's got a Frankenstein.
I think that's a juice bottle.
Ooh.
That is so cool.
A light stick.
Ah, that's what it is.
You like to scare
You're
people,
scared.
don't you?
Wow, that's so nice.
This is my goodie bag. Very good. You're very right. You're good at scaring. You're so good at that.
Alright, Mom, because you can be back yet.
Okay. Oh, she did make it. She told me that she wasn't.
Hey, Michelle.
Very cool. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Say hi, Michelle.
Hi.
Hi.